Today I want to talk about an interesting pattern in Vedic numerology that we see with few specific combinations activated in a grid. When someone has 9 and 4 in their natal grid, and when these numbers get activated through Mahadasha or Antardasha, there can be sometimes a higher tendency toward controversies, conflicts, or even legal situations if one is not careful. Now, the obvious question is, does this mean everyone who has 9 and 4 will face legal issues? The simple answer is no, not necessarily. But it does mean that a little extra awareness and caution can help. So let's take an example now. In Vedic numerology, the generic grid looks like this. However, none of us will have all the numbers present in our natal grid, and that's perfectly fine. So a real example will look like the right image where few numbers may be repeated, few numbers may be missing, and that's okay. In this example, here 6 and 5 are repeated. If 9 and 4 are activated along with multiple 6, so 9 and 4 here is coming in contact with multiple 6 here, there can be higher chances of issues involving relationship, women or marital disputes, sometimes even divorce. If the combination was not with double 6, but maybe multiple 5, double or triple, doesn't matter, but multiple 5, the combination is then activated with strong 5 energy, which means that the conflict could be with finance, business, something related to money. Similarly, with 5 and 4 also, this kind of experiences can be felt. And these numbers, if they are coming in contact because of the Mahadasha or Antardasha, or they are already present in the natal grid, in this example, we have disregarded that. If it is due to Mahadasha or Antardasha, it may be for a period, specific period. If it is already there in the natal grid, maybe these combinations are already pushing you towards it. So a little extra caution is advised. But the real question is, what should we do if we see this pattern? First, remember that numerology is about awareness and not fear. If you know that such a dasha period is coming or already ongoing, the best thing you can do is simply be more mindful. Avoid unnecessary arguments, controversies, or situations that could escalate into something bigger. There are also practical remedies and daily practices that can help balance the energy and reduce the intensity of this pattern. But just like in life, we can't eliminate every risk on our journey, but maybe we can mitigate to some extent. What we can do is to stay aware, take precautions, and make better choices. And here is a fun fact many people don't realize. The dasha systems in numerology and astrology are not the same. They are calculated differently, and because of that, the Mahadasha and Antardasha running accordingly to astrology may be completely different from the one that running in numerology. So for example, in astrology, maybe your Mahadasha is Mars at the moment, but in numerology, it can be totally different, like Venus or something else. So it's always interesting to observe both systems together. Now, isn't this interesting? Let me know in the comments if you knew this already or if any similar experiences.